Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Peposo, also known as Tuscan black pepper beef. An amazing dish, simple to make, so let's get started. I've got a nice, good sized ribeye here, bone in. I'm going to take the bone off, and I'm going to trim up all the fat, and I cut this into decent chunks for stewing. You can use ribeye, New York. Traditionally, they use chuck, but I like to use a higher quality piece of meat. But you can use whatever you desire. All right, let's get this cut up, and we're going to move on to the next step. What you're going to need is some cornstarch and a Ziploc bag. So we're going to take all these nice pieces that we trimmed up and put into a Ziploc bag. And then we're going to put some cornstarch in there. Be careful because this can go all over the place if you spill it. And we'll zip it up and we'll give it a real good shake. Make sure that all the pieces are coated nicely. And we'll set that to the side while we get our Dutch oven out. Put on our induction hot plate, a little bit of olive oil, and we'll put that on medium-low heat. Once that oil starts to heat up, we're going to put in about 7 to 8 good-sized cloves of garlic. And we're just going to saute those garlics for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we'll remove the garlic. And then we're going to brown our beef in that garlic-infused oil. And we'll get both sides nice and brown. And once we get that meat nice and brown on both sides, we're going to remove the beef. While that's happening, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, we got the beef out. I've got 2.5 tablespoons of very coarse black pepper. I'm going to put that right in that oil and saute that black pepper for 2 or 3 minutes. And then toss those garlic cloves back in. And you'll really start to smell that pepper and garlic. Now we're going to add 1 whole bottle of decent quality red wine. At least a $15 bottle of red wine. Okay? And we'll mix that up real good. Get all the scrapings off the bottom. Bring that to a nice simmer, and then we're going to add our beef back to that red wine mixture with the pepper and the garlic. We're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let that go. Oh, I almost forgot. 2 bay leaves will go inside. Then we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let this go for 2.5 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. We'll keep that lid on. And when your meat is just falling apart, then it's done. Just pulls apart so easy. Then it's time to serve. And you've got a traditional Tuscan black pepper stew. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back soon for more and hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Thank you. Have a great day.